So we're going to start with finding, actually we can do closed in Stratford Hills, because that's the name of the subdivision that the house is in. And we're going to use, we'll do there we go. Now what I did before doing this was went into Realist and got the square footage and the information, or at least some of it that I needed. So we'll just use this one. And that's a larger square footage. Let's see if we can find something a little bit better. So the one I found was 1768, and this one is, let's see, 1887. So we'll use that one. And then you'll go to this little target. It brings up the closed. We'll just go a mile out because we want to stay in that neighborhood. And we'll do the past 6 months. I'm going to do 125 because I think that's a little low, up to 250. That's still a lot, so let's go up to 150. All right, so that brings us to 19. So we're going to see the matches. I know the area, so I know that like Lenox and Edinburgh are all in the same subdivision, but if you don't know, you can always click it. And this says Tree Haven, so this is not one that you would want to use, so you're not going to use that one. So you've got, this one is actually one that you can use, even though it was your quote-unquote subject that you were using, because you're not really using it as a subject. You're going to make your own subject. Let's see, Herndon is close enough that I think we could probably use that one. Square footage is a bit high, but I'm trying to choose. Glen Burnie. That's bank owned, so we're not going to use that one. Whitney is over in Westwood, but it's kind of close. No, square footage is way off. All right, so we have 3. This one is, I would rather use this one because it's in Stratford Hills, so I am going to use that one. So when you choose the ones that you're going to use as your comparables, and you can use more than 3, because you're just narrowing down initially. You're going to use check, and it's going to regroup. So now it breaks it down into the ones that you chose. So we're going to look and say, okay, this one is, these 3 are in the neighborhood. And while this one here, the square footage is a little bit higher, it's still in the same neighborhood. So we're going to use that one. So to eliminate, we're going to eliminate that one. And now we're going to use check here and go up to CMA and show selection. So for our subject property, I had written down the information about the house, and it was a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. One place said a half bath, so, and then another place said it's not. So I'm going to do it without a half bath for right now. And the square footage is 1786. I'm going to submit. So basically what we've done here on this side is your subject information, and these are your 3 comparables. When you are using this one, you've got right here, and right here. That's the closed square footage. We're going to take those 3, add them together, so you can, I started doing this where I would divide it by 3, because you're dividing it because you had 3, and then divide it by 2. Why divide it by 2? Don't really know. That's just how the algorithm in this CMA Works. So it is 45.33, and you're going to put that right here in your finished square footage, or your final square footage. That's the price adjustment.
Hey, how are you? How are you? Good.
And it's 45.33. Nope, I'm doing a recording for someone on how to do a CMA in the old system. So you're getting your square footage adjustment at 166,602. And there from here, we're going to be able to go in and do other adjustments, but I'm going to let you watch this 6-minute video first to see if you can get yourself through that side of it to begin with.